Good morning, everyone. Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. A lot of us are having to wear masks these days, and it looks like they're going to be a part of our future. But I wanted to show you a little something that I did to take these regular cloth masks that we're all getting and make them a little bit more secure. What I did was I took, let's get to here, I took and sewed a little pocket, so this end, and then it goes right around, and what it does, watch your tail, Gus, this little metal piece came off of one of these used 3M masks, and Gus tipping over the phone. You want to say hi, Gus? Say hi. He said hi. But I took one of these off. It's one of the straight ones. I took it off. I put it against my mask in the middle where I wanted it to be. And I sewed a pocket for it. Basically, it's one strip going down, and then it's one strip going across, and then backstitched. On the inside, I've taken, and you can use a seam ripper. If you don't have a seam ripper, I just took my little razor knife. I cut through one of the layers, and that allows me to put this piece right in, and it's all covered. Now whenever I put my mask on, I can bend down the nose piece. There we go, and I have no more gap right here. So it fits a lot more comfortably. I don't have air blowing up in my eyes. And if you're wearing one or need to wash one, you just take your metal piece out, put it in the one I originally started with, my Hello Kitty. Same thing. And there we go. Nice seal around here. I still have my seal. So I hope this little hack will help you guys with your masks. I really like them to be snug up against my face to make me feel a little bit better. And this little piece of wire that we can find, and it's aluminum, we can find on all these old masks. Instead of just wasting them completely, we can take these and repurpose them or reuse them. But that's it. I just wanted to give you guys that little tip while I was thinking about it. And Gus wanted to say hi again. You want to say hi? No? Say hi, everybody. Okay. All right. I hope you guys have a great day. Keep making.